Hi, folks. I'm at Arugam beach today. Night gonna very.
ஜோரான பேணி லட்டு சுவையான சீனி புட்டு ஜோரான பேணி லட்டு சுவையான சீனி புட்டு ஏராளமான இனி இஷ்டம் போல வெட்டு.
We gonna taste a fish barbecue, and I have a very special official tester for my channel. It's my big brother Ziad. Hi, brother. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
So today I'm ready to taste my big fish barbecue, right? Okay. So what's your favorite barbecue, brother?
If you take barbecue mean chicken,
Okay.
and especially this area, this Arugambe beach
Arugam
area,
beach
there is special fish.
Okay.
Okay,
Special for fish.
Special
Fresh
for
fish,
fresh
right?
fish,
Yes.
and barbecue.
Yes, and we can also find very fresh seafoods right here. And today we gonna fry big fish barbecue. I think which one is we gonna put for barbecue? This one, red fish barbecue. Any special for in this red fish barbecue? Any special benefits or
Fish,
what's the
how we-
nutrition of this fish?
Actually, nutrition proteins available.
He is my another brother who makes this barbecue, right, Anna?
Yes.
So can you tell me how to do this and why you choosing this fish for?
This fair is special, but the good taste, very good taste. This
Very
piece,
good
very
taste.
good taste. This
Okay.
always this very company, but very good taste. This piece.
Okay.
It's like people this piece.
Everyone,
Yes,
right?
everybody, yes.
Then you can do chicken
Chicken
barbecue.
also, chicken also.
And this one, what's
This
this?
calamari.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, can I
Yeah,
put
fresh.
this?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Chicken also fresh, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
can.
Normally we use it
It's
Sri Lanka Kanava.
Kanavai in
Yeah,
Tamil.
yeah, yes, Tamil.
Dallo in Dallo,
Dello,
right?
Dello, this
Dallo
Sinhala.
in
Dello.
Sinhala.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and this one we called what? Ral.
Prawns.
Prawns, and you can do this also, right? Barbecue.
Yes, barbecue.
Yeah. My brother, tell me what we gonna do next.
Let's see how to prepare the fish barbecue.
Yes, sure.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
So here we have that our barbecue fish, right?
Yes.
Barbecue
Yes.
fish is ready for oven.
Yes. So what's this? What's this
This
paste?
also put ginger,
Ginger.
ginger and
Masala.
masala something
Masala.
inside.
Garlic, ginger
Garlic,
paste,
garlic,
right?
yes.
Okay.
That is the secret of the restaurant.
Secret,
Secret
paste, right?
recipe.
Oh. Okay. Anna, what are you gonna do now?
He's
You can put the fish on this foil paper, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Foiling-
Why did
foiling
you
paper.
do this?
This one not
Not to
coming
burn.
black. This one
Right. Not burning, right? Okay. We cover up the fish full of foil paper and then wait, what gonna do? He adds some ginger and garlic and green chili and cumin seeds as well, and he mix that on a grinder and grate and take as a paste, and he put that paste on the fish both side, and he put for 15 minutes seasoning that fish, and then the fish is ready to be going as a barbecue. So here is our barbecue is gone ready until I describe these things with you all, and let's see what's happening to our fish barbecue with my wonderful cameraman. This is for me, brother. Yes. So here we gonna taste our big fish barbecue in Arugambe beachside. One,
I
two,
think little
three.
hot, right?
Yes.
The
Yeah.
let it to cool.
Yes.
I'm very thirsty to eat this, right?
Really, we can
Yeah.
also see that. Mhm. Okay.
Wow. Actually, really. Really nice. But
How about the paste mix?
this mix is the everything we can feel it.
Yeah.
He said the recipe, ginger, garlic, so on, so everything recipe is we can feel when we are eating. That taste, actual taste is there.
Sweet. Okay.
Alright.
How about the thing? It's a soft fish, it's a soft.
Yeah,
or
soft,
hard
very,
one?
very, very soft. It's and very taste.
Here I am gonna taste this fish barbecue. Mmm. Really,
What
really
else is it?
superb. Oh my god. I have another bite also.
Again,
Yes. It's really tasty. And
don't eat it full, right?
yes,
Because I need
yeah,
it.
yeah. Really, really,
I
I
need
know
that.
That's why I introduce you as my official taster.
Yeah.
It's really, really. It's not too hot and too hard. The fish is cooked in really in a good way, right? And the taste was also very good. The paste mix it very well, right, Chief? And
I'm going to take
we
another
can,
more-
yeah,
another
sure.
bite because
Yes.
actually one bite is not enough for me according to my
Really,
this
really.
thing, okay, you should accept this, right?
Yeah, sure. So, and the what we call the garlic and ginger and chili paste, everything observed in this fish, and its taste, it's give me a very good taste, and I feel that personally, and you guys also can taste and can feel this taste if they visit here, right?
Okay, my guys, this is actually this dish is very taste.
Yes,
I,
really
I really taste.
Yeah.
But I'm this is given to our Sri Lankan people to taste this.
Yes.
But better than foreigners. Foreigners are tasting. You can see this shop. They're fully foreigners. It's so packed by the foreigners, right? My hope, my idea, and my expectation to feel this taste our people. But the Rifki restaurant is a very actually he is he has more international experience to making food. The several food are available here.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. We enjoy your fish barbecue, right, my big brother? Yes.
Sure, why not?
Really,
Really, I taste
we
this.
enjoyed. Yes. Thank you so much. Subscribe to
Salt.
Salt.
subscribe to Salt. Once more, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
If you have passion for cooking, stick to it, eat a lot, because it always makes you big and strong, and live a happy life. That's all you have to do.
யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா? இருட்டா இருக்குது, பயமா இருக்குது.